Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to attempt to replace this broken or shorted plug, a two-prong plug, a bit of a bulging going on there. As you can even almost see how the wire is basically cut inside the insulation there. So what I'm going to do here is going to cut this off, and I'm going to try and use one of this GFI style. Might as well upgrade the two-prong with the GFI on it, so that way it can protect us. So I'm going to try and work on this converter here and replace the two-prong with this product here, and see how it goes. All right, so the tools that we need really in this scenario, we got this wire stripper and cutter that we'll be using to cut this wire here, basically, and strip it out. And then we got a couple of screwdrivers here that we're going to use. First order of business, just have to open this product up. A little product unboxing here for you. First time to use this product, but the packaging is really good. It's definitely is nice. Let me see here. Oh, okay, here. Very nice. Here's some of the hardware. Just have to pry this thing open. So it's ready to go, basically. So just have to put our positive negatives, I guess, in this case, to finish the whole cut. And in this case, just have to separate the two wires. All right, so we will then install it in there. I like to clean this up because it's slightly longer than the other. I might have to strip more of it. So the first order of business is to unscrew our clamping screws here for the wires. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and hook it in between the plate. So we'll just undo this all the way. See if we can hook it in inside those two plates. Okay guys, first order of business, just have to put this grommet here. And all our screws are here. So that way we can then later, dress it up a little bit better there. So now the next step is for me to just clamp this two wires in between the plate inside here. As you guys can see, there's two plates. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert it in there and lock it in. Let's work on the first one. Second one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a bit of curve, so it just curves in the back slightly. We'll just work on one and then lock it in first. You guys can see. Let's get the other one. They're both nicely in place. Just make sure they're nice and tight. They're not going to get pulled out again. Now we just got to get our grommet system here. That's going to sit like so. Need to get the grommet in first, then the clamp. The beauty with this screwdriver here is a magnet. Tip is magnetized, so we can easily drop it in like that. She used extension here, give us more leverage. There we go. Final touch is the other cover. Just press it down. Yeah, just press it down basically and get our screws in. Nothing crazy, just have to feel how much torque you can put in. You don't want to break the plastic. So yeah, everything is nicely sitting. Slightly more on this one, I can feel it. Okay, yeah, they're all flush. So that's pretty much it, guys. You got your test button and your reset button. So we'll try it out and see how this thing works now with this brand new plug. Just lock it even more. There you go. I can still see the opening. It's not quite in. Gotta make sure it's sealed nicely, because or else water can go in there. There you go. I'm not seeing any gap anymore on both sides. That should be good. We're gonna try it out and see how it goes.